Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can report a profile for graphic violence. So, let's get started.
Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started.
First of all, open the Pinterest tab on your device. Now, tap on the search icon, then search for the profile you want to report. Now, tap on the three dots icon beside the follow button, then select report option. Now, tap on the second option, which is nudity, pornography or sexualized content. Select if it's a minor nudity or adult nudity. Then finally tap on the report button. And that's it. This is how you can report your Pinterest profile for nudity or pornography.
Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.